Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today I am gonna show you how you can make QR code in Canva. Once you have opened your Canva project, then on the left panel here you can see apps. Just go to the app and click on this. Now on the search bar here search for QR code, and this is the app we are gonna use. Just click on this. Now here enter your URL link, and you can customize your QR code. Here you can see background color. You can change the background color, foreground color. This is foreground color and this is for margin. So let's click on generate code. Okay, our QR code generated. Now you can position it. You can resize it. So this is how you can make a QR code in Canva. So it's very easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.